Stop using personal email for random websites. In this video, I will show you how to get a free temporal email address in less than 5 minutes using your smartphone. It's fast, simple, and perfect for account verification. Don't miss the final tip because it will save you from doing the wrong thing. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. Just go to your Play Store or App Store, depending the type of phone you're using, and download this app called, let me show you the app, TempMail. Download this app. The app just downloaded and installed at the same time. It's automatic. This app can literally help you create a random email address. Yes, in a website, in a case where you want to sign up in a website, but you don't want to use your personal email address. Maybe you just want to sign up for quick work, or maybe the website is not safe for using your personal email address. This is the life-saving app that you need to download and make use of it. Next thing to do is just tap on open. This is the app. This is the homepage of the app. As you can see, as soon as you open the app, what will you see? A recommended temporal email address. Your temporal email address. This is a recommended temporal email address. Now, if you want to make use of this temporal email address, you can also change it if you want, or you can also customize using your name, but it's temporal. Just tap on copy and paste it on the website you want to create an account, you want to sign up on. Just copy it and paste it there. After I paste the email address there, if there is any code sent to the email that you needed to copy and paste it for confirmation, just tap on inbox. You will literally find the code here if it's all sent to this email. Yes, you will find it here. It's very simple. The app is friendly user. It's very easy to use. Yes, no subscription is needed. It has a premium version. Yes, for sure. But this is the free version. You can come to this app at any time you needed a urgent temporal email address. It's very simple and easy. Now, if you want to continue seeing videos like this, just comment the word I'm interested, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one.